Inanunsyo ni Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Remulla na hihingin niya sa Sandigang Bayan na alisin na sa talaan niya ng mga akusado si dating DPWH Secretary Manuel Bunuan sa kasong plunder na may kinalaman sa 573 million kickbacks sa flood control projects. Si Bunuan ay kapwa-akusado sa kasong plunder sina Senator Jingo Estrada, dating DPWH NCR Assistant District Engineer Denril Cesar Sanchez Cortuna, DPWH NCR District Engineer Manny Bumagat Bulusan at DPWH NCR District Engineer Arturo Lombres Gonzales Jr. Kapwa-akusado rin si Bunuan sa dalawa pang kasong graft na may kinalaman naman sa flood control mess. Si Bunuan ay sumailalim sa hospital arrest sa PNP General Hospital sa Campo Crame na inaprubahan ng Sandigang Bayan 5th Division mula noong Hunyo. Binigyang diin ni Remulla na napakahalaga ng magiging testimonya ni Bunuan sa mga kasong naisampa at sa case build-up na ginagawa ng Ombudsman laban sa mga sangkot sa irregularidad sa flood control project sa gobyerno. Kaugnay nito, patuloy namang isinasagawa ng Ombudsman ang preliminary investigation kina Senator Joel Villanueva at Senator Francis Escudero hinggil naman sa flood control mess. Ganito ang bahagi ng pahayag ni Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Remulla.
Agreement for the cooperation of former Secretary Manuel Bunuan to be a state witness, to be a cooperating witness. We will discharge him from. We will ask the court to discharge him as a respondent so he can testify for us as a state witness.
Sir, elaboration why? Kasi bukas, sir, may arraignment yata siya sa 5th.
Yes, pero meron na kaming standing agreement. We filed already a motion to discharge him as an accused so that he can be a witness for the prosecution.
Sir, elaboration lang ng why we need him as a state witness.
The knowledge that he has about the whole institution is something very important to us to be able to prove many cases. There are other people who will be we will be benefiting from his testimony with regards to so many of the cases that we are filing.